which you need to do is enable all the variables. So in the tag, you click on variables, then you click on configure, and all this should be checked in. So click element, click ID, click target. So all the variables you should. There used to have select all, but I see now it's not there. Present variable, right, on screen duration, right. So that's it, all getting saved, and this is one which you need to do. Now you can see all the variables here, and this is a task which is important to do. Thank you.